In this video, we are going to show you how to use SuiteCRM SMS Reminder to set reminders for upcoming meetings. Go to the module loader. Here you'll see SMS Reminder is already installed in SuiteCRM. After installing, you'll see this section in the admin menu. The license will automatically verify and activate in the first step. After that, click on Step 2 and configure your Twilio phone number. Give a befitting name to the setting. Enter account ID, auth token, phone number and phone SID. Click on the Save button. You'll see this message on successful configuration. This option is to see recipient lists. Currently, there is no list here. Click on Create Recipient List on the left. Give a name, and choose an appropriate status. Set it as default and add description if you want. Click on the Save button. Now the list is created, we'll add recipients to the list who will get SMS reminders for meetings. Click on Create and enter the recipient's name and phone number. Click on the Save button. Following the same process again, you can add more SMS reminder recipients. Now our recipient list is ready to use. Here, you can see all SMS reminder recipients that you have created. There are two other modules that come with this plugin. First is the SMS Reminder Queue. Here you can check the status of your reminder. In Reminder SMS, you can check reminder messages that have been already sent. Let us show you how it works by scheduling a meeting. Give a subject to the meeting. Choose a start date and time and meeting duration. Choose a meeting attendee. Then click on the Add SMS Reminder button. It will open a pop-up box where you can set how much time before the meeting you want to receive an SMS reminder. Then choose a recipient list. Automatically, all recipients in the list will appear. You can remove any of them if you don't want them in this particular meeting. It won't affect the original recipient list. Or you can add other recipients by adding their name and phone number. By clicking on the plus icon, you can add as many recipients as you want. Once done, click on the Submit button. Now save the meeting. In the SMS Reminder Queue subpanel, you can see the status along with some other information on the reminder messages. Currently, they're in the queue. You can see just 5 minutes before the meeting, I received an SMS notification on my phone. It says a meeting is scheduled with David. In the SMS Reminder Queue, the status is now changed to Sent. In the Twilio SMS module, you can see the sender and recipient phone numbers with respective text body. The status is also changed in the subpanel as well. Thanks for watching.